Hi, boys and girls. Today, we're going to learn how to use labels and add them when we write a sentence. Do you remember what a label is? A label gives the reader information about a picture. Do you remember this picture? This is a picture of a pig. In this picture, I see different labels that tell me what the picture is about, or details of what's in the picture. So here I see this label is pointing to the pig's ear, hoof, mud, and the pig's head. Our job now is to take these labels and write a sentence. Can you add power words when you write a sentence? Let's look down here. I see the power word the. Do you know what this word says? Pig. Pig. Was that on our label picture? That's right. I see the word pig, and I know how to write it because it's labeled on my picture. Let's keep writing our sentence. I see some more power words. Is, in, the. What is the pig in? Mud. Mud. I can use my label to add it into my sentence. The pig is in the mud.